Stop for a moment, just once. Do it for yourself. Peace, a word we all know, yet it can feel so distant, like a bird's wings in the open sky, visible but just beyond our reach. Maybe your mind hasn't stopped all day, one thought after another, pulling you in every direction. If that's how you feel right now, then this moment is yours. This is not about learning how to be calm. It's about noticing the calm that is already here. I am only the guide. You are the traveler. And the destination is within. Experience this. For a moment, everything outside can disappear. There is only your presence and the moment you are in. If your mind were a lake, how many stones do you throw into it every day? One stone stress from work, another a comment from someone that stayed with you, another fear about the future. The stone falls, ripples spread across the water, and you spend all your time fighting those ripples, wondering, why is my mind so restless? It is not the ripples that disturb you. It is the stones you keep throwing. Want a calmer mind? Then stop throwing stones. Someone says something you don't like. Don't throw a stone. A fear about the future appears. Don't throw a stone. Just stand quietly on the shore and watch. When no stones are thrown, the lake becomes still on its own. That is today's practice. Simply stop throwing stones. Are thoughts appearing, rising and falling? Let them move. They are not stones. They are only waves. Stay on the shore. Stay still. The lake within you will slowly become clear. Everything will settle to the bottom. And one day, you will finally see who you truly are. Have you noticed something? Most of our day passes in reactions. Someone blocks the road. Anger. You see a message on your phone. Your mood drops. Someone says something and you respond immediately. Most of us live like remote controls. Someone presses a button and we react instantly. On, off. Real peace begins the moment you stop handing that remote to others. No one has the power to disturb your inner calm unless you give them permission. Imagine the open sky. Clouds pass through it. Storms move across it. Rain appears and disappears. Yet the sky itself remains untouched. It simply witnesses everything. Become like the sky. Your thoughts are the clouds. Words from others are the rain. Events in life are the storms. But the awareness within you is the sky itself. Quiet, unchanging, always there. The next time someone tries to pull you into anger, pause for a moment. Remind yourself, I am the sky. These are only passing clouds. No reaction is needed. Just a quiet smile from within. Right now, notice what's happening inside you. Maybe a thought says, that sounds nice. Or maybe another says, but it's not that easy. See that second thought? That too is just a reaction. Simply notice it. Don't hold on to it. Do you know when the most powerful moment in your life appears? It's the tiny gap between two thoughts. One thought has ended, and the next has not yet begun. In that space, there is peace. In that space, you simply are. We talk so much and think so much that the space between thoughts almost disappears. Like a film reel, one frame then another, moving so fast that the gap becomes invisible. But the gap is still there. For the rest of today, let's gently practice noticing that space and allowing it to grow. Keep your eyes closed. Simply notice your breath. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. A thought appears, maybe something like, what will I eat tonight? That's okay. Just notice it. Then gently return to the breath. The thought passes, Before the next one arrives, notice the space. That quiet space is where you are. Breathing in, breathing out, thoughts come, thoughts go, and I am simply watching. Yes, that's it. This moment right here. This is peace. It isn't something you need to achieve. It has always been a part of you. For a moment, the noise simply moved aside. Look, our journey together is almost coming to an end. But the journey toward the peace within you is only just beginning. When you return to the outside world, remember this. You are the lake. People may keep throwing stones, but now you know you can remain on the shore. You can simply watch the ripples. You have the power not to let them sink into you. Peace comes from within. Do not search for it outside. Tonight, when you go to sleep, just notice something. The events of the day will come to mind, but don't get involved with them. Simply observe. Yes, these things happened. And then, gently return to your breath, to your quiet sky within. This body will not be here forever. These thoughts will not remain forever. But the one who is aware in this moment, the one who is seeing, the one who is feeling, that presence is timeless. And it is peaceful. Peace is not somewhere out there. It lives here, within your own heart, always present, in every moment.